All right, so let's go to, okay, and see how all the red stuff is going to be strategy. And so we're going to hit the first one of the strategy. This is called Jack, Jill, and Brian. Jesse was supposed to be here. He was my middle son. It was going to be Joshua, Jesse, and Brian. Those are my three sons, but, I thought he was going to be here, so it was incriminating. But, okay, so here's the, and this is like, okay, have your hat up from the frogs. Remember I tricked you there? Okay, this is like another trick coming, all right? So here's the situation. You got Jumpin' Jack, Procrastinating Jill, and Dependable Brian. They heard this financial lecture, and I said, hey, if you just put $300 a month away, you'll just be set, all right, for retirement. So Brian just goes right at it. He just starts putting $300 away. Same week, got it going. Every paycheck, money goes in the bank, and it just happens, okay? But then Jumpin' Jack did the same thing for 10 years. That's $3,600. That would be $300 a month. But after the 10th year, he goes, I don't want to do this anymore. I want to go vacation. I want a car. I want a house. I want something different. So he just quits, okay? And then Procrastinating Jill, she picks up at that point and says, I just had a child. I really need to start saving. And so she makes 36 payments all the way to age 65. How many payments is that? 33. So she makes 33 payments of $3,600. Jack only did 10. And so the question is, we know Brian wins, but between Jumpin' Jack and Procrastinating Jill, who wins? One made 33 payments of $3,600, one made 10. Okay, so since I told you it's a trick, it's Jumpin' Jack. So you can go down and there's a thing in the bottom left that says click for answer. If you click for answer, you'll see something that really does not make any sense at all, okay? Someone can make 10 payments of $3,600 and beats more money it's like 6 digits, isn't it? Isn't it like 100,000? Devin, click that thing right there that says click for answer. Yeah, so Jack beats Jill by $135,000. Now, that's just wrong. Do you get that? So Jack makes 10 payments, quits for $3,600 a year. So that's $300 a month. Quits. Jill picks up and makes 33 years worth of payments for $3,600, and she loses by $135,000. How is that? No, it's not just she got married. What? Compound interest. And this is just something that will not make sense. So just don't try to make sense out of it. It's just the reality. If you put money in an investment early, it will beat any investment you make later. Okay? It's just one of those facts. It's like gravity. The sooner you make the investment, the more money you will make. If you delay that investment, your money's significantly dropped. I can't change that even if I like you. Okay, that's just math. All right? And so it's one of those things that the whole concept here, and here's these guiding principles. Remember I said on that summary of guiding principles? Insight feels like change, but it's not change, meaning until you actually set up an investment account and put money in it and have it automatically go from your paycheck, you haven't jumped off the log. You're being Jill. Okay? And so it's one of those things that, so that it's just insight. But then, and that's the next one. So the key guiding principle here is start early, and whoever starts the earliest and contributes the longest is going to win. So that's basically investment concept in a nutshell. Any questions on that? Besides that it doesn't make sense, but if you do it, it works. That's sort of the way it is, I think.